The more profitable types of YouTube videos in 2020. There is an almost unlimited number of videos that you can create and have success with on YouTube. As long as you create helpful content that is entertaining, you're set to make it big on YouTube. The thing is that not every type of video is going to be profitable, regardless of how many views they get you. What you want is to learn what type of videos are profitable. So let's talk about them. Educational videos. These are videos where you educate leads that are looking for information. This can be information about anything in your niche, about things that can help them find an answer to a question. You can use infographics and whiteboard animations for your educational videos, where your brand becomes the guide to the answer or class that you are providing. These videos are great for capturing leads that are at the top of the funnel, people that are simply researching stuff way before they're aware of your product. One strategy that you might want to apply is to not give out your whole content in one video. Instead, use your educational videos as intros to a larger content series that you can use to move viewers into the bottom of your funnel. For example, if you create a video as the first part of your series and invite viewers to download an ebook where you provide the rest of the info. Explainer videos. These are videos where you explain the solution to a problem. They're similar to educational videos, but they're more specific about explaining a means to an end, such as explaining how a product helps people to solve a problem, or how a tool helps people make more money. These videos can help you to capture leads at the top and in the middle of the funnel, because they can spark awareness among people at the top and create interest among people in the middle. The trick is to create videos that explain how the products or services that you sell can solve a given problem, to explain it quickly and in simple terms. Product videos. These are videos where you showcase your products or services. Most commonly, they are short videos that work as an introduction to your products, where brands explain what the product is all about. Please note that these are not adverts, and you shouldn't use them to focus on selling the product. What you'll do is to simply create a video where you clearly explain what your product or service is, how it works, and what type of problems it solves. You can use these videos to engage leads in the middle. While they won't necessarily help you to drive an immediate sale, they will help you to create interest and consideration, leading to a conversion down the line. Tutorials and demos. Video tutorials are videos where you explain to viewers how to do something, from how to use an online tool to how to create a birdhouse. These how-to videos are incredibly effective when it comes to driving conversions, because they encourage the user to learn how to complete a task or achieve an objective if they use the tool or product in the tutorial. Because of that, these are the type of videos that you are going to use to convert people in the last stages of your funnel. For example, you can create a tutorial video to teach people how to use a tool that you are promoting to create a website with an integrated shopping cart in just a few minutes. Because you are providing a quick, easy solution to a problem that lots of people want to solve, you can drive lots of conversions from that video, simply by inserting your affiliate link in the video description. Testimonials. In these videos, you are going to feature testimonials of people providing feedback about your product. Normally, these are recordings of clients that have had a good experience with a brand, product, or service. What you have to do is to ask some of your customers to rate your product on camera and talk about how it has helped them to achieve results. Testimonial videos are the equivalent to reviews on a website, and they can help leads at the bottom of your funnel to make the final purchasing decision. What is YouTube all about? Hey there, everyone! We'd like to congratulate you on your decision to take up this course, and to thank you for choosing us as your guide. This is an immense opportunity for you to learn the ultimate strategies that'll help you scale your online marketing efforts and grow your business on YouTube, the most popular video streaming platform on the internet. We've created this course to help you discover all the ways in which you can use YouTube to make more money. We've spent a lot of time on the platform, and we've uncovered the best proven methods to monetize it beyond ad revenue. To kickstart your journey, we'd like to start with the basics. What is YouTube? YouTube is, on the surface, an entertainment-centric platform. It is designed to make it easy for common people to find the type of video content that they enjoy, and to stream it seamlessly from any device wherever they go. This entertainment model is a modernized spin of the traditional TV format, and it is always online. This means that YouTube provides people from all around the world with 24/7 access to plenty of video content for free. Yet, this unlimited access to free video content 24/7 is fueled by brands, businesses, creators, and personalities that are benefiting from uploading their video content to YouTube. That's right, folks. The YouTube platform is open for creators that are willing to feed the platform with quality content in exchange to access an always online global audience for their products and services. How does it work? YouTube works because the platform provides an open window for consumers to find quality content and for brands and businesses to find the right audience whom to promote their offers. The methods to monetize these audiences are varied and extraordinarily effective, but the business model works like this. YouTube lets people and brands to join and use the platform for free. Brands, business, creators, and personalities produce quality content and upload it to the platform. People look for content they like, find the videos produced by brands in their niche, and start getting familiar with those brands. The higher the quality of the content, the more people start considering those brands. Brands output videos on a consistent basis and start growing their audience. Once those brands grow an engaged audience and build trust, they start to use monetization strategies that encourage people to spend money on products sold or promoted by those brands. Brands start making money and can scale their efforts. Why should you consider YouTube for business? Many people don't think of YouTube as a platform for business, but you can see results and profits pretty quickly if you do it right. And you don't have to be famous or to have a large budget for that. The main advantage of YouTube for business is that it lets you leverage all your efforts from a single platform. For starters, it lets you show and build your brand's personality through videos. Long gone are the days of building awareness one image at a time. On YouTube, you can demonstrate your expertise in your niche. This means that you can produce videos to educate potential customers about the problems they face, using your products or services as assistants. This, in turn, allows you to also showcase your products and services, their benefits, their features, and everything that makes them different from what's offered by the competition, all without being salesy. On YouTube, you also have a platform to broadcast special occasions, such as in-store events, conferences, and much more. You can also use it to run webinar-style presentations and to interact with your audience in real time. YouTube also has a self-serving advertising solution that allows you to promote your content and offers. It has some of the best rates around and gives you hyper-targeting features that will help you reach and convert the perfect customer. Additionally, YouTube helps you reduce overhead costs and the complexity of running an online business by providing you with a platform where you can host your video content for free. What's the future for YouTube business? Businesses on YouTube can look to a bright future because the number of active users on the platform is increasing year by year. Technologies such as 360 video, augmented reality, and virtual reality are going to enhance the user experience, and businesses can leverage that to better showcase their products and services. Also, content marketing and brand sponsorship are becoming the most effective strategies to drive sales, and YouTube is the perfect environment to develop and run them. Are you ready to learn what it takes to get the most out of YouTube business in 2020? Yes? We're glad you are, because we're going to get started in the following lesson. Alternative monetization strategies for businesses on YouTube. One of the things you'll hear from every successful hustler when you ask them what their secret is, they'll say diversification. Diversification means to create additional income streams to supplement your main hustle. In this case, your main hustle is YouTube. And it is a good idea to supplement your YouTube business strategies with additional streams. The following is a list of our favorites. Patreon. Patreon is a membership platform that allows creators to set up a membership program so they can monetize their content. And it is a favorite among creators on YouTube. With it, you can create a membership business through which your biggest fans are able to pay a fee to get access to your premium content. What this means is that you can use Patreon to set up a paywall for your best content. For example, you can create a premium video course that is not available on YouTube, and that only Patreon subscribers can get. And in case you're not monetizing your YouTube content, you can create a subscription service where you send subscribers a different product monthly for a fee, and you can funnel viewers from YouTube to sign up to this service. Dailymotion. Dailymotion is a video streaming service that is similar to YouTube in look and feel, but that offers more relaxed guidelines and access to an international audience that you won't find on YouTube. Dailymotion has a partner program that lets you monetize your video content, and it's easy to apply. This means that you can join Dailymotion, join the partner program, and monetize your videos there too. Brid TV. Brid TV is a scalable YouTube alternative with a great monetization solution and white label service for content creators. What makes Brid TV special is that it is a dedicated online video player platform. This means that it lets you host your videos on their platform, so you can then embed them on your site or anywhere else. And you can monetize your videos with different ad formats in those placements. Twitch. Twitch is a live streaming platform. Perhaps the most popular streaming site of all, it has attracted former YouTube live streamers who have ended up moving their business there. Twitch is a great platform to stream live events, product demonstrations, and services live. It gives you a great opportunity to show what you do in real time. And it has a great partner program that lets you monetize your streams once you build a sizable follower count. Mixer. Mixer is an interactive live streaming platform that offers a similar experience to that of Twitch. Held as the best Twitch alternative, it offers juicy monetization options such as membership programs, a partnership program, and access to verified channels for businesses that'll help you take monetization to a new level. Facebook and Facebook for creators. There's no doubt that Facebook is still the king of social media platforms, and one of the most active, most profitable sites on the planet. It is also a great platform to post your video content and make money off it. It works similar to YouTube in that you have to upload your videos and add your action URLs. But be careful. On Facebook, you have to directly upload the videos to the platform instead of sharing the YouTube video URL. The only bad news is that video content on Facebook doesn't have the same evergreen potential as on YouTube. So what you have to do is to create shorter videos and to share them on a more regular but equally consistent frequency. On the other hand, Facebook for Creators is a Facebook program that you can join to monetize your video content on Facebook, which is possible through ads, brand collaborations, and other built-in monetization tools. You can join the Facebook for Creators program at facebook.com/creators.